In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory with Zoho Books. We'll walk through where to find your products, how to add a new one, and how to enable tracking so Zoho Books keeps an eye on your stock levels for you. I'll also show you where inventory adjustments live so you can keep everything accurate and up to date. First, look at the left pane and click on Items. This is your central catalog, where all the products and services you sell or buy are listed. Here you'll see each item's name, code, and if tracking is enabled, its stock details. Think of this area as your source of truth for what you offer and how it's set up. If you already have entries, this list gives you a quick snapshot. If you're starting fresh, it's the perfect place to build a clean, consistent library. To add something new, head to the top right and click New. You'll be asked to enter the item's details. Give it a clear name, add an item code or SKU if you use one, and write a concise description so anyone on your team understands what it is. Choose the appropriate unit of measurement and fill in pricing for sales and, if applicable, purchase cost. Consistent naming and units make reporting cleaner and reduce mistakes later. If you want Zoho Books to track stock automatically, make sure the item's type is set to goods, not services, and check the box to track inventory for the item. Turning this on tells Zoho Books to monitor quantities on hand and valuation as you buy and sell. You can also define opening stock and cost here if you're bringing in existing inventory, and set a reorder point as a reminder for when levels get low. Double-check these fields before saving. Accurate starting numbers help keep your reports trustworthy. Once you save, the item appears in your items list right away. You can return to it anytime to tweak descriptions, pricing, or tracking settings as your business needs evolve. Keeping this list tidy will make day-to-day operations smoother and reports more meaningful. When it's time to manage stock levels directly, click on Inventory in the left pane. This is where you can create inventory adjustments and review previous ones. Adjustments are useful after a physical count, to account for damaged goods, or to correct discrepancies. Be sure to select the correct item, quantity change, and date, and add a clear reason in the notes. That way, your audit trail stays clean, and you'll always know why a change was made. And that's all. With items set up properly and inventory adjustments at your fingertips, Zoho Books can handle your stock confidently and transparently.